Are you an entrepreneur, business owner, or someone trying to get in the online space? But more importantly, are you one of those people that really wants to do it well, wants to do it with integrity, wants to be profitable and make a difference in the world? My name is Julie Stoyan and I am the co-founder of Funnel Gorgeous, where marketing and ethics and beautiful design all come together. Listen, we know that in the online space, especially the marketing space, scammy tactics abound. But what my partner Kathy and I have decided to do is bring you a channel where we're going to blend both of our superpowers to give you rock solid marketing and branding advice. With Kathy as a designer and me as a copywriter and business coach, we bring you a one-of-a-kind brand and channel. So we will be talking about sales funnels, social media, list building, how to be a person in this online space in this day and age, how to sell your products profitably, and how to do it in a way that feels really, really good and on brand for you. If you want to learn more about marketing and sales funnels and doing it in a way that feels good and is still profitable, we hope that you subscribe to the Funnel Gorgeous channel.